In this video, we're going to be working on the EVGA video card. This is the 1080, and it came in for no power. And let's read what the customer wrote. About 6 months ago, I tried to turn my computer on, and it would not power on. I assumed I had a faulty PSU. I bought a new PSU, and when I turned the system on, I saw a flash come out from the GPU, followed by a burning electronic smell. During the last boot, I did not have the PSU cable connected to the GPU. I immediately turned the computer off and inspected the graphics card and discovered the following. I'm not sure if this is repairable, but ask that you take a look. And if we click on the image, we see this here. And the damage is right over here. I do not know if this is fixable. Everything right now depends on the condition of the layers on that board. Components can be changed, can be replaced, but we cannot fix damaged layers on the board. When components are this burnt, sometimes they get molded onto the layers, so it's hard to remove those components. Right there. We were able to easily remove this MOSFET, but this one looks like it really attached itself to the layer. Look at this. I do not want to put any pressure on it because we're going to end up ripping pads from under this chip. I want to keep those pads as intact as possible, and it's not coming out. I mean, look at this solder already liquefied, and we're still not able to take this off. Look at this, the whole layer came off with that MOSFET. Look at this. Let's see if we can keep that layer down and just remove the component. Okay. Look at this here. I mean, all those components we can restore if the layers or the layer of the board is good. That's not a problem. And I'm gonna have to say no to this board. No fix. I would love to be able to solder those components back and get this card to work, but we do not do miracles. It's game over for this card. We may be able to use this card for parts if the customer doesn't want it, but otherwise the card cannot be fixed, and we're gonna have to let the customer know and send it back then. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, even though it's a no fix. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.